Technological singularity. Will AI take over? The kind of rapid technological advancement that humanity has seen in the last 100 years has been the story of the century. Thanks to this rapid advancement, the idea that humanity is approaching a singularity has moved from the realm of science fiction to a concern for serious scientific debate. Some people believe that AI will take over the world soon. In fact, some experts predict that this technological singularity will happen within the next 30 years. The idea that artificial intelligence will take over the world and humans will no longer be in charge is scary and opens up the stage for serious debate. Today, we are on the brink of a technologically activated change that will fundamentally disrupt every human affair and the entire human ecosystem as it exists today. So, what is technological singularity, and how will it change our very own reality? Let's try to understand it. Have you ever wondered whether or not thoughts are alive? How do they come about, and what causes thoughts, emotions, and feelings? You might answer, our brain. But why only ours? What makes it so special? Why aren't ants sitting around and wondering about the meaning of their existence? The human brain is mysterious. We still understand very little about it. The amount of human knowledge has been growing for thousands of years, as has our ability to transit information because of writing, printing, and the internet. However, the organ that generates this information, the brain of the Homo sapien, has remained fundamentally unchanged and is still shrouded in mysteries. How the human brain works, how thoughts come about, what is consciousness? These are some of the questions that make the human brain one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in our universe. This, however, will change if artificial intelligence is successful in what they are designed to do. If the mind becomes both a producer and a product of technology, a feedback cycle with unforeseen and perhaps catastrophic repercussions might occur. Because when the item being designed is intelligence itself, it may begin to improve upon itself. According to the singularity concept, the average person will soon be pulled from the loop, unable to keep up with artificially intelligent computers or cognitively enhanced biological intelligence. In physics, singularity is a point in space-time, such as the center of a black hole, where the laws of physics break down and our capacity for comprehension along with it. A singularity for humanity might occur, for example, if exponential technological advancement caused such drastic change that it would disrupt the entire human ecosystem and human affairs as we know them today. The institutions we take for granted, the governance, law, economy, and the state would not exist as they exist today. Even the most fundamental of human values, the pursuit of happiness, the sanctity of life, the freedom to choose, would be sacrificed. Our very understanding of what it is to be a human, to be alive, to be conscious, would be called into question. What type of technical advancement could possibly cause such an upheaval? The theory which we will discuss in this video is that a technological singularity might be provoked by major developments in either or both of two related fields: artificial intelligence, AI, and neurotechnology. The singularity would include the computer programs becoming so smart that artificial intelligence surpasses human intellect, potentially eliminating the line between people and computers. Nanotechnology is widely regarded as one of the major technologies that will enable singularity to become a reality. The expansion of intellect will have a tremendous influence on human society. These computer programs and AI will evolve into super-intelligent machines with cognitive skills well beyond those of humans. Whether we think the singularity will occur or not, the mere concept of it raises several worries and serious security risks and uncertainties for humanity's future. John von Neumann was a Hungarian-American mathematician who was the first one to discuss the concept of a technological singularity in the 20th century. Since then, many writers have either adapted or echoed his viewpoint. While humanity has repeatedly altered their ecosystems, intelligent robots are predicted to alter and expand the human ecosystem in unprecedented ways. As witnessed throughout the world, networked computers, information, communication, digitizing technology, and the internet have profoundly altered the human-created information process, ushering in the information era. Data is vital to the success of the fast-developing information era, and data and information are all around us. In cyberspace, the quantity and quality of digital data and information generated and saved by people is quickly increasing, reaching approximately several quintillion bytes of data already. The present human population is roughly 7.7 billion people, and the number of people who are connected is rising. And as human connectedness grows, so does the amount of data and knowledge available to computers, allowing them to discover patterns, learn, and become more intelligent. Because of this information revolution, machine learning algorithms are improving rapidly. Along with remarkable breakthroughs in software technology, there appears to be a parallel growth in computer hardware to improve the machine intelligence capabilities. As a result, the computational capacity of rapidly growing computers surpasses that of even the most sophisticated and evolved human brain. The exponential development in machine intelligence will continue until the point of singularity. Then, artificial superintelligence will be on the horizon. And this is not a sci-fi Hollywood story. This is the science of how intelligent machines might evolve. There is little question that when a superintelligence evolves through artificial intelligence, it will bring higher problem-solving and imaginative abilities than present humans. But wouldn't it imply the creation of another intelligent species that may or may not be interested in human interests? What happens to human intelligence and humanity when the universe reaches a point of singularity? This raises an essential question. How will humans keep up with extremely intelligent robots in the face of a fast-changing and emerging technology, when the intelligence explosion appears to be unavoidable? Some people believe that in order to defeat artificial superintelligence, developing technologies enhancing human intelligence and creating a superhuman with superintelligence can be used. While creating a superhuman with superintelligence is theoretically possible through intelligence augmentation, through advances in bioengineering, genetic engineering, nootropic drugs, mind uploading, and even direct brain-computer interfaces, AI assistants, and more, the reality is that the evolution of the human brain and human intelligence is a very complex endeavor with far too many unknowns, dependencies, and variables. Today, companies like Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk himself, are working on developing these brain-machine interfaces. AI will transform our scope of possibilities in ways we are just now seeing, leading to a blend of man and machine. Elon Musk, for one, feels this is both a workable and necessary course of action. Even though the near-term aim of his company Neuralink is to construct a brain-computer interface that can aid people with certain health concerns, he has a bigger vision for the long run. He believes this interface will be required for humans to keep up with increasingly sophisticated AI. Such a breakthrough might reshape the interaction between people and machines, giving rise to a greater level of AI-powered intellect. And this brings us to the last important question of this video. When will this technological singularity occur? While there is no clear date or consensus on when superintelligence will be reached, one thing is certain. The frightening trend of technological singularity requires us to consider what we want as a species. Whether propelled by artificial intelligence or other technical means, the singularity will cause a technological tsunami, culminating in unfathomable changes and challenges to human civilization and its environment in cyberspace, geospace, and space. Because there is no clear evolutionary reason for an AI to be nice to humans, the difficulty is determining whether the artificial intelligence-driven singularity would promote their own survival over ours under evolutionary pressure. The fact is that the emergence of artificial intelligence will have no intrinsic inclination to generate or create results prized by humans. And there is no reason to expect such an outcome from any highly intelligent computer. A post-singularity world will eventually be unrecognizable. Humans, for example, may possibly scan and store their consciousness on a computer. This method will allow humanity to live forever as sentient robots or in a virtual environment. We humans are experiencing a dilemma as artificial intelligence developments shape human ecosystems with more hazardous and profitable prospects than ever before. Whether promise or peril triumphs will define and decide humanity's future. We do not intend this video to make timeline forecasts to a singularity, but rather to start a conversation about the alarming trend of artificial intelligence progress for humanity's future. Whether or not we believe the singularity is close, the very concept presents critical security and risk considerations for humanity's future, pushing us to consider what we want as a species. So, what do you think about technological singularity? Will AI take over? Or will humans coexist with them? Let us know what you think in the comments section below, and we'll see you next time on the channel.